Hey guys, it's Hint here, and in today's video I'll be pranking my friends. So I want to prank my friends today because I feel like pranking. I don't know, I'm just a prank master or something. So I'm gonna be pranking Forest Fox Wolf and also Legit Moonster. Cause yeah, her username is Legit Moonster, as you can see. So you might be wondering, how am I going to prank my friends? Well, the question is easy. I'm gonna prank my friends by saying that I am his cousin. And you're all gonna be thinking, is my cousin really playing? No, that's not true. My cousin is not playing. I'm gonna be pranking them. Okay. So I'm gonna act like a 5-year-old, just not knowing what I'm gonna do in life. So okay. Hi, who are you? For both wolves. Is that how you will write wolves, I guess? Hi, who are you both wolves? Dressed up in some crazy socks. Question mark. I'm gonna go up here a little bit. Hi, who are you both wolves dressed up in some crazy socks? I am his cousin. Oh, okay. I am his cousin. Okay, let's see. I don't know what to do. Wait. I am his cousin. Okay. I am his cousin. What your legit moon star life is. Oh my God. What your legit moon star life is. Like, I'm a 5-year-old, people, don't judge me. Oh my God. I hope they don't leave. Because I will follow them. I'll definitely follow them, okay, people? I'll follow them. I'll definitely. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna be like, what? I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know, people. It's just I don't know. That's just it, okay? That's just it, okay? I don't know, okay? Can I please have this big one basket thing? Oh, what did you? I can't read. Wait. Shout your keyboard and don't talk to me. I'm triggered. I'm triggered. How do you do that thing where you put your chin up there, yo? How do you do that where you put your chin up there, yo? Wow. There's a new update. Wow, she didn't know that there was a new update. Yeah, let me check. Okay, just check. You have sword to do some crazy stuff. I'm gonna wait for a bit because I'm a 5-year-old, you know. You have sword to do some crazy stuff. Yes, that's all correct. That's all true. It's true. I think legit it's like, what is happening? I'm gonna check the update. And like Forest Fox Wolf is like, I'm triggered. Get out of here, yo. Look at your keyboard or something. They're not saying anything. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out. I have to do this. I'm just custom camera. I'm bored. I finally did it. Okay, I did it, everybody. Well, I hope it's not members of Cloudsdale Horse. I love it. I hopping. I hopping. It's hopping. I hopping that cloud horse is for the non-members of AJ. I hopping the cloud horse is for the non-members of AJ. Well, A 5-year-old cannot type Cloudsdale horse. Or what does I know this mean? Mean? Oh no, wait, stop. Mean, ma'am. What does I know? Mean, ma'am. Yo, you'll be right back. I'll watch Wisteria Moon. What is Wisteria Moon? Who is Wisteria Moon, everybody? Didn't know who Wisteria Moon is, but. And a sad face dude. What's a sad face dude? What's a sad face dude? Oh my flippin' lord. Okay, this prank is definitely one of my favorites. Get pranked. Get pranked, yo! Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below something nice. Yeah, something nice. And also, everybody, no more videos for a week. I'm super duper sorry, but today I'm going on vacation, so I thought I'd just upload a quick video, people. Yeah. Bye!